Hi, it's Hardware Set, and today I'll show you how to fix weak signal on Samsung Galaxy A17. So first, toggle airplane mode in the quick settings right here. So enable and then disable. This will refresh the network connection. Then move to an area with better network coverage. Go into the settings, general management, and then reset. And from here, reset mobile network settings, also reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. This will reset the settings to help you with any issues. Also, you can just try to restart your phone or contact the carrier to check the outages. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.